Good morning on this February 9th, 2013. And the blizzard of 2013, believe it or not, is starting to wind down across western parts of New England, but it is still cranking a bit here. Got about 2 feet of snow on the ground. Another heavy band, mesoscale band, passed over the area overnight while we slept. Dumped about another 8 inches. Unbelievable. Snow's still coming down. I expect probably about another inch or two before things wrap up. Winds have calmed down a bit, but are still brisk, between about 20 and 30 miles an hour, although not as consistent. Got my yardstick here. I'm out on the street now. Again, remember, this area was plowed last night and still 18 inches. Very hard to measure the snow this morning because of the drifting, but the consensus is about 22 to 24 inches on average. Drifts are higher. Some areas obviously much less due to the drifting and blowing snow. Governor Malloy has placed a complete travel ban on all roads in Connecticut, with the exception of emergency vehicles, with the capacity for snow travel. It's whipping up again. The blizzard of 13 continues.